It's got a laser pointer that's pretty bloody good, actually. Hey guys, I needed a flashlight for the workshop because the lighting in my workshop's pretty shit at the best of times. Normally when I go looking for something, I'll find it in a corner that's as dark as the badger's ass. So I just wanted a little torch so I could see what the bloody hell I was doing. See that? It's quite bright. So I wasn't quite sure whether to buy an expensive flashlight or a cheap one. I don't know if you've seen any of my videos before, but some people actually call me bloody cheap. Can you believe that, my friends? Anyway, I thought to myself, Pete, why don't you splash out on a decent flashlight? So I brought one of these bloody OLIGHT things. And you know what? I paid $100 for it without bloody shipping. Woo-wee, that's a lot of money for something this bloody big, I thought to myself. I didn't want an old torch like this that you have to put bloody batteries into for a start. Because you're bloody forever buying these stupid friggin' batteries. And if you're anything like me, you go to grab your torch, you turn it on, the bloody battery's flat, so we can get rid of that. Basically what I wanted was something I could just plug into my phone charger. So for $100, you'd expect something pretty good, right? This thing's got an aluminium case. It's 3,000 lumens, whatever the hell a lumen is. Now watch your eyes if you don't like bright light. Oops, got that wrong. Why isn't that not working? I thought I buggered it then by tapping it on the bloody workbench. See that? It's quite bright. It's got 3 brightness settings. It's got a laser pointer that's pretty bloody good, actually. I've actually pointed this 4 houses down in the middle of the day and I can still see the laser. So it's pretty cool. And I actually started bouncing the laser off the clouds, and then I thought to myself, hey, that's not a good idea, Pete. I'm only a little way away from an airport. So I quickly turned that off. Don't tell anyone, will you? But the best feature I reckon it's got is this. See this here? This is what they call a blue light. Now you're saying to yourself, Pete, what the hell do I want a blue light for? Wow, let me tell you. Do you ever stay in a motel or a hotel in your bed and had a look what's actually on the sheets and you can't see it with the naked eye? But shine this on it and you're gonna see all sorts of horrible stuff. Or take it into the bathroom, shine it on the floor, and you'll be able to see who's been peeing on the floor and where. Another thing I like about this torch, you can use it as a bottle opener. I don't know where you guys live, but do you have trouble with counterfeit money the same as we do here? Well, check this out. Got our blue light, $5 note, $5. You can actually see if your money's bloody real. And to charge it up, all you do is get this jumpy thing here, and it jumps on the arse of the torch. It's pretty cool. Yeah. I love it, I love it, I love it. Little things amuse little minds, eh? Look at it. Plug the other end into your phone charger, and then you'll be able to discover who peed on your floor in no time. And if you want to hang it up somewhere, it's magnetic and sticks like shit to a blanket. So I can almost hear you saying now, Pete, that's all very well, but $100 for a little flashlight? You gotta be joking. Well, that's exactly what I thought. So then I went and brought a $15 flashlight. This one's made of plastic. It's got a pointy flashlight, but it's only got 1 brightness. It's also got a longer light if you're looking for that badger's ass, and it's also got a red light if you get into trouble on the road. But you can't check your toilet floor, or your sheets, or even your money with this one. And you have to plug this one in manually to charge them up. Once again, this one sticks like shit to a blanket, but you can also bend this one. Pretty cool, eh? And it also has a hangy thing. So what do you reckon, guys? Is this one worth $85 more than this one? This one you can use to see all sorts of horrible shit that you didn't want to see in the first place. And this one you can just see where you're going. This one is made out of aluminum. This one's made out of plastic. But is it really worth $85 difference? I'll put a couple of links in the description below and you can decide for yourself which is best for you. Or maybe you don't even want any of them. That's alright as well. And we'll see you next time, eh? Bye.